don't watch the camera. Baby turn. There you go. Yeah. Hey, there's what the baby did. Look what you did. Yeah. Yeah, you did it. Yeah. Now it's going to draw a circle. Circle. See? Circle.
Sort of.
Go push. Yeah. Put an eye there and an eye there and a smile. And it's a person. Well, not really. Oh, put a little nose on it. How's that? Better person? Here, like baby. Hey, baby. Here, baby. There. I'm Caitlin. She's not. That's not Caitlin. That's just not good. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, go. Your turn. Your turn. Here you go. Yeah. Not bad for your foot. Second time? Yeah. That was fun, huh? Want to try another color? Yeah. It's a little easier to see, isn't it? There, now we're coloring ambidextrously. Yeah. Oh, it's not food, okay. You know me. That belongs there, not in the mouth. I appreciate the thought. Thank you for trying to feed me off. Yeah, you know better. You stopping yourself. That's kind of handful, isn't it? You want to color with all of them at the same time, I guess. Yeah. This kind of is the whole mystery about how this works. Yeah. We know how it works, but she doesn't know how it works. Nope. No eating crayons. Yeah, you're doing better. There she was working just one small area and trying to be more precise. That's what she was coloring. No, we're going to stay on this page. Just this page today. Yeah. Oh, yeah? They're just totally excited. You know what these are? These are crayons. crayons. They are not food. Nah. I'll take them away. I'll put them up. Yes, I will. I mean it. Want me to put them up? You want me to go bye-bye? Okay, that's it.